Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN for free. Yes, NordVPN is a paid VPN, but it's possible to use it for free for 30 days. I'll explain how to do it, and don't worry, it's 100% legal. So, my method for getting NordVPN for free is very simple. It consists of using the 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use NordVPN for several weeks on up to 10 devices simultaneously, and then request a refund. In the end, you won't have paid anything. To do this, you will need a payment method, but don't worry, you will be fully refunded if you request it within 30 days of signing up. All you need to do is sign up for NordVPN, download the software and install it. You will be charged, but if you request a refund before the 30 days are up, you'll get all your money back. If you decide not to keep your subscription, you will need to contact NordVPN's customer support to request a refund. It's as simple as that. If you are satisfied with the service, you can of course decide to keep your subscription and continue using NordVPN. The principle is simple. NordVPN lets you try the service risk-free so you can see its quality and performance for yourself. In any case, I invite you to use this link vpnfolio.com/nord to get the best current offer, which currently includes an Amazon gift card. Let me quickly show you how it works. Here is the interface. You can activate the VPN by pressing this button, or you can choose a specific country from this list. Let's try it. As you can see here, my IP address ends with .0. It locates me in France. I choose a location in NordVPN, the US for example. I click here. And there you go. I'm now connected as if I were in the US. I refresh this page. And there you go. I now have a new IP address that places me in the US. NordVPN has hidden my real IP address. My new IP address indicates that I'm in the US, even though I'm still in France. I showed you how to connect using the Windows application, but it works exactly the same way on macOS, Android, and iOS. NordVPN also works on smart TVs. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to get NordVPN for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I will reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.